Guys, take a look at what Sam's doing there.
Well, of course. Here's another tasty thingy for ya.
What's going on?
Ah! Oh, Susie, you really scared me. I was just feeding our underbed monster, to butter her up.
Sammy, what are you talking about? It's just... What? My socks? What are these doing here?
Wait, so we don't even have a tiniest under-the-bed monster? Ugh.
Well, why don't we make our own monster right now?
Really?
It won't be living under the bed, but you'll be able to feed it something tasty.
Woohoo!
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the place where monsters are created. Mwahaha! Guys, today we're going to sew a lot. So get ready for sharp needles and long threads.
Are we going to make a plush toy, Sue?
Not exactly, although our craft will be just as cute and soft. It'll be a monster backpack. Like in any sewing craft, we should start by making templates.
Did you hear that, guys? How cool is that? Quick, give a thumbs up and we'll proceed.
Here we go. Great. I finished with the template. It's time for scissors now.
They're as sharp as our future monster's teeth. Why do you need them anyway, Sue?
We need to cut out this template according to the lines. By the way, Sam is right, guys. Scissors really can be very sharp. Remember to be careful working with them.
Right, watch your fingers. Yep. Don't spoil my lines. Go away, come on.
Guys, our main template is ready, and here's another one for the lid. Sam made it.
Susie, the winter is coming, and I could really use this to sew myself a coat. Susie!
Sammy, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna need this.
Hey, that's really unfair. Do you want me to freeze?
This faux fur is for our monster, Sammy. You don't want him to freeze, do you?
Okay, Sue. Anything for a good craft as always.
Don't be so grumpy, Sammy. And poof! The magic cut works like a charm. Next, we need to deal with the straps and the handle. Sammy, could you go find my tiny pegs, please?
I already have them ready. There you go, Susie. Phew.
Thank you. These will help us to secure all parts that need to be sewn together. There we go. Here comes another peg. Great.
Guys, don't forget that your backpack will have 2 shoulder straps, so you gotta take all the measurements properly to make them symmetrical.
Right. Now let's take care of the lower part of our straps. Put the strap through this tab and place it right here. Okay. We'll secure it with a peg and deal with the second one.
Whoa, Sue, just please be careful with pegs. Once I got stuck in one and, well, it really hurt.
Okay, we need our straps to be adjustable, right? A garment accessory like this will help. Here we go. Follow the steps not to make a mistake, guys. The end goes right here. And then up again. Yeah, it's really important to make this part right, otherwise the straps won't be adjustable.
It's like you're making a sailor's knot. All aboard! Ho ho ho! All hands on deck! Where is everyone? Hello! I said all hands ahoy, Sue!
Okay, the first strap is done. Now we should do the same with the second one. Give me a second, guys.
Guys, the sewing machine definitely is not a toy. You'd better ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Right you are, Sammy. We're going to show you guys how to sew our backpack.
Yeah, we'll show you. Wait, but I don't know how it works too. Sue, can you teach me?
Of course, Sammy. Watch closely. The trick is just to follow the indications on the sewing machine. That's the last hinge. We're almost there. Time to turn the machine on. I pulled the thread through the needle. Now we'll get the paddle down and...
Sue, that's awesome! Guys, if you like this stage of our craft too, then give us a thumbs up. Hooray!
Guys, this is what you should get. Check out these invisible stitches. Okay, let's put our backpack aside for a while.
What do you mean, put it aside? We're running out of time! Don't you want to speed up?
Take it easy, Sammy. We're gonna make the inside part of our backpack. I already cut out 2 pieces of fabric using our templates.
Nice. Now I see you have everything under control.
Okay, we've prepared all we need. Let's just sew everything together.
Let me help you. I'm dying to practice my skills on a sewing machine. I'll make the top piece.
All right. Guys, note that you should always work with the seamy side of the fabric. We also need to work on these corners more precisely.
Sue, check it out. Did I do all right?
You're right about the time, Sammy. Well done. Now we can easily sew this wonderful top piece right here.
This will take Sue only a few seconds, guys. Use this time to subscribe to our channel.
Let's see. The top piece is on its place and the seam is totally invisible. Now we can start working on the backing of our backpack. And here's another secret that will ease your work. In order to be able to pull out this piece later, don't sew this space I'm marking right now.
Good advice, Sue. Want to see how I mastered my sewing skills?
Sure, Sammy. Go ahead.
Remember that stuffed toy we have that looks just like me?
You mean Mini Sam, our merch toy? How can I forget about him? He's such a cutie. By the way, this Mini Sam can even dance as sweetly as you do. So?
Yeah, so I made a mini Sam. Check it out.
Okay, Mini Sam, sit here and watch our craft. Guys, shall we use some magic? Poof, voila. Now let's check out what we've got. See, my magic helped to get the backing inside the fur part. Let me show you one more thing.
Wow, Sue, it's so spacious. You're a master of backpacks.
Guys, check out how neat and beautiful our inner bag looks. And also, corners are the most difficult part. Ask an adult to help you with them.
It's so soft, I could live in here. Guys, want to know what's next? Stay tuned.
Guys, look, we've already added a magnetic snap. So now nothing will fall out of this backpack. Now we can switch to Sam's most favorite part, the decor. Let's start with our monster's hair. Hot glue gun will help us.
Wow, what a forelock. Maybe I should get one too?
This way it looks very bright, right?
Sue, check out my cool forelock / mohawk. Do I look cool, huh?
As always, Sammy. Next, we'll need foam spears cut in half. And here's what they should look like. Any idea why we need these guys?
I know, the eyes. These are going to be the eyes for our monster.
Exactly. And our next step is pretty simple. We'll draw black pupils. And add tiny highlights with the white part. Our monster will have 3 eyes. Let's start with the biggest one. I drew an outline with a pencil beforehand, so it's easier to paint now.
Sue, it's kind of strange, but I can't stop thinking about one thing. Monsters, Inc., the animated film.
I wonder why that is. Let's finish with the last eye. Just be very careful and don't rush.
Sue, I got it! Our backpack looks like Sully Monster.
That's right, Sammy. Our craft was kind of inspired by Monsters, Inc.
Ooh, then I love it even more.
Then we should give him a tribute in one more way. This purple foam paper will look great as an eyelid. Am I right, guys?
Sue, I made an eyelid too, following your steps.
It's time to attach all the decor elements to our backpack. Our little monster will have 3 funny eyes. And these cute, colorful horns Sammy made out of socks. Let's put them somewhere here for now.
And teeth! Sue, don't forget about the teeth!
Sure, Sammy. We'll make them from these tiny white triangles. Oh, and I almost forgot about a pair of fluffy ears. Everything's ready. Care for some magic to speed up and finally see the result? Wow, awesome. Let's take a closer look at our monster backpack. It has cute eyes just to be sure our little monster can see well. Sharp, but at the same time, soft teeth to scare away all the enemies. And a pair of bright horns just for fun. Sweet. Now let's test our backpack in action.
chocolate bar.
Are you sure that's all?
Positive, Sue. Now you're ready to go.
Huh, it's so comfortable. Guys, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon!